Hello everybody, welcome to KSI Data Research. Welcome to Data Analytics Data Science Classroom.
Today's tips, common SQL view mistake. All right, so let's open the SQL server. So here is our SQL server, and the tips would be common SQL view mistake that break the queries and how we can fix them. Okay, so we're going to use one of our practice database. So under this practice database, we are going to create one of the product table. Okay, so this product table, it has a product ID, product name, product price. So you create this product table and we can check, is there any data? So there is only 3 column, no data. So we can insert some data and check again. So we can check again and see we have some data in a table. Okay. So it has a 3 column, 4 rows tables. Okay. So now if I create uh, view out of these tables, we can create a view. Okay, so what we can write? We can write create view and then view name, view underscore product list. Okay, as select all from product. So from this uh, products query, we can create a view. Okay, so let's execute that. So it's execute that. So now if I use this view, select all from view, select all from view, we'll see the same data as like a table. So it's no difference over here. Okay. So now sometime we forget if someone change the table, alter the table, add some new columns. So if we do not update the view, then it would be the problem. It will be break down the query. So view does not auto refresh when the base table change. Okay. So say for example, now the product table, this product table, if I wanted to add one more column, like structurally we are adding one more column to the table. So how we can do that? Alter table product add is stock quantity, one of the column we wanted to add is stock quantity. Okay. So if I just add this into the table, so this table is changed now. So now if I wanted to check the table again, select all from product, you will see there is a stock quantity, one column was added over here. So there is a no data over here. So it is null. All right. So now if you see the view, you'll see it is did not updated the view actually. The column did not added by itself. Okay. So we really have to uh, change the view and update it. Otherwise, it will not refresh by itself. Okay. So now we can write create view, create or alter view. Create or alter view. So now if we execute this, now is view is updated. So now if we check the view, you'll see the very similar results like a product table. So always when we modify the table, we have to check is there any related view has been created or not. Otherwise, it going to be in a problem for the view. Okay. So this is one of the tips I like to give you guys. Thank you to watch. Thanks.
Thank you for watching. If you like to have more tips in the field of SQL, Power BI, Python for machine learning, advanced Excels, subscribe our channel. Also, if you like to join free webinar, follow our Facebook page and website. Please check the link below in the description. Thank you again.